Okay, today I'm gonna talk to you about the law of attraction. The law of attraction. Uh, as many guys here in this country, here in Madagascar, now I'm here in Tamatave. As many guys have talked to me and I've been explaining to them about the law of attraction. And today I think that it is your time to understand exactly about the law of attraction. As what I've done in my life and as what I've keep doing in my life till now, I'm always focused on my dream. I think you know it exactly. I'm always working on my dream, and now I'm in the middle of the way of manifestation. And I'm so glad, I'm so happy, and that's the reason why that I make this video for you today. And you know, such amazing life. The law of attraction is like this. As my teacher saying like this, thought lead to feeling, and your feeling lead to your behavior, and your behavior push you to do action. And the more you're doing action, you have courage, and you just keep on going. You don't want to listen to much people. You focus on your dream, and you feel good inside of your body. You feel so happy. Even there is somebody let you down. Even your mom, your daddy, your friends, your husband, your girlfriend, wife, even your children may say something to you that you cannot do it, but still do it. What I want to mean is like this. The most important thing on the law of attraction is your feeling. To master about your feeling. Even you met something or around in the difficulty, you always have a courage inside of you. You have courage, and you just do something because you know the reason why you do what you do. You have a positive vibration inside of your body, and that's why we always doing such a thing which is not a lot of people doing. Like you know, let's go. You see, when I'm doing it, kind of feel like that, my vibration is raising, and I feel so good, and that is energy. You never ever studied that from your college. And once you follow me, once you follow my teacher below, he explaining in the little detail about the law of attraction to you, and you can make everything is easy. You can make like you know, man, I'm so happy. I'm so happy to explain this to you now. When you committed to yourself to be happy first, don't focus on money first. Focus on you, your health, your happiness, your relationships. And after money. You focus on yourself and you feel so good inside of your body. You feel so peaceful, joyful, blessed, amazing. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. I think, guys, you understand exactly what I'm saying. And if you're interested about the law of attraction, meditation, and it kind of feel like that, I'll leave a link below on this video. Check it out. I think that this year 2022, it is your year to make a progress and to be happy, to be financial free. God bless you. Let's go!